FRMI is trending down 34.89%. This is Friday, the 12th of December, 2025. It has recovered from this intraday low of $7.47. Okay. Let's see now. Way above average volume shares have crossed the tape. Yes. I think we have, yes, close to 9x. Close to 9x its average volume. Volatility is expected to increase in the coming days. Let's get the sentiment. Let's get the sentiment.
Fermi is trending after the stock took a sharp hit, triggered by the sudden termination of a $150 million agreement that many investors had been counting on as a major validation point. Under the terms of the agreement, the undisclosed customer would have leased part of Fermi's Project Matador site in Texas and could provide up to $150 million to help finance construction. While both sides remain in discussions over a potential lease, the funding agreement has been scrapped. The move could mark an early challenge to Fermi, a company co founded by former U.S. Energy Secretary Rick Perry, which started trading in October at a valuation of $14.8 billion, but is yet to bring in revenue. Fermi rode strong AI driven demand to a robust IPO in October as investors piled into companies providing the infrastructure necessary for the technology. Despite the setback, the company is doubling down on its messaging, emphasizing that it still expects to meet its power delivery timelines for AI and next gen compute infrastructure, one of the hottest demand zones in the entire market. That split in signals has the community buzzing. Some traders argue the sell off looks like a classic overreaction, especially given Fermi's positioning in the rapidly expanding data center power ecosystem. People are actively mapping out possible bottom levels, trying to figure out where real support might form and whether the dip is offering a rare entry point. Others are taking a more cautious stance, digging into the implications of the terminated deal and questioning how this impacts Fermi's roadmap, customer pipeline, and long term competitive edge. Still, a noticeable chunk of the crowd is treating the volatility as an opportunity, eyeing potential rebound catalysts, sector momentum, and the broader tailwinds from surging AI infrastructure demand. Overall, it's a high energy debate, uncertainty, opportunity, and a whole lot of chart staring as traders weigh whether FRMI's stumble is a temporary shakeout or a sign of deeper issues ahead.
Okay, so the stock has just been around since let's see now, since early October. Okay, and since that time, it's been printing lower prices. It has been on a downtrend. We've covered the stock. We covered the stock earlier on today. Okay, projections are saying 11.98 and 8.75. Let's just quickly glance at its 4 hour chart. We don't have it. There isn't any extrapolation here. Obviously, not enough data. Okay, so we could just try and see if we have anything on its 1 hour chart, but I doubt it. Not Yeah, we do. Okay, so it's more of the downtrend. You can see the bounce I talked about. It recovered from the lows of around $7 or thereabout, and the Argos just started to reiterate this projection, this bounce of 11.41. Okay, and if it closes above it, then it might attempt to retest 12.01. The probability of it retesting 11.37 statistically very high, but no, sorry, statistically, yeah, very high. But we know very well it looks very high, but does not mean it's going to happen. Let's see now, 11.98. Okay, that's it. 12.98 is 12.01, statistically also very high as well. We have another one here, 13.02, statistically equally very high. What of this? There's also a pivotal projection here. It is 14.92, equally statistically very high for it to be retested. Well, in any case, the algos on this 1 hour chart seems to be suggesting that it might momentum might pick up from today. Today, okay. Well, let's see. So it's just saying that it might just be volatile up till at least okay, up to the post market session of today. We'll see how all of this go. Okay, let's just see if we can find anything on the option speeds. Okay, the December 19 series. That's the those are the most short term of all of them. Let's see what we have. It's going to come up. Data, as our memory is a problem, might be a problem. So we can't see anything here. Yeah. Another thing we can check is its short interest. Yeah, let's see whether we can get anything on its short interest. Let's see what we have down here. Short interest 5.42, but it doesn't matter. It's still something as well. Still something, but not obviously not the stuff that will get it. It wouldn't get any attention from that. But in any case, it's has some attention right now. Okay, so well, we'll see how it goes. The algo seems to be suggesting on this 1 hour chart that 11.41 is something that can happen. It's been reiterating it. Yeah, started to reiterate it today, a couple of hours ago, and still being reiterated. When did it initiate it? It was initiated. Yeah, 5 a.m. New York time, and still insisted, still being reiterated up till as of 11 a.m. New York time. So have a look and see what you make of FRMI, and thank you very much for watching this video.